Today we're talking about the Contax T2. I have had this camera for 15 years, so it is about time that I do a review on it. And it is a very controversial camera, and unfortunately is getting a lot of hate these days just due to its price point. But the reason that people still choose this camera and why it's always had a bit of a cult following is because of its Carl Zeiss f2.8 38mm lens. I think 38mm is a great focal length for travel, and that's why I choose this camera when I'm on vacation or I'm traveling, because it's both super compact and I don't have to think too much. It's not fully manual. A lot of the automatic features are pretty reliable, and so I can kind of stay in the moment, but keep snapping away. For focusing, it has an autofocus feature, which is pretty reliable, and you can choose a manual focus setting above that. Or you could even do infinity focusing, which could be useful if you're shooting out a window or there's something in the foreground you don't want to focus on. Another great feature about this camera is you can choose the aperture. If you put it at 2.8 though, it's going to automatically select your aperture based on available light, and most of the time I just leave it there. So I bought my camera back in 2011. I paid $325 for it. Today, on the other hand, it goes for somewhere around $1,000 to $2,000 depending on where you buy it. Is it worth it in my opinion? I probably wouldn't spend this much, but if you have the money and you're a film photography enthusiast and you want to try it out, I say go for it. A lot of people do say that this camera was not reliable for them, that they had issues with it. Me personally, I've never had issues and mine has lasted 15 years. So what helped me decide to get this was seeing other people's images with this camera. So that's what I want to show you today. I want to show you some of my favorite images from the Contax T2, so enjoy. We are at the end, and this is my very first YouTube video. If you want to subscribe to see more and where this goes, please do. And I'm also on Instagram at Mr. Jim Doyle, and my website is on the screen as well. Thank you so much for watching. Cheers.